Yo, what is going on, guys? Sergeant's Tech Tips. I'm going to be showing you how to get the old YouTube layout back in Microsoft Edge, because a lot of you actually have been requesting this, so that's what I'm going to do. So you all know the new layout is crappy, and honestly, it just looks stupid in my opinion. But I'm actually going to be showing you how to get it on here. So you're going to go to the Google Drive link, because I can't add these characters in the description for I don't know. Just grab this link here, or this text here in the Google Drive file. Then you're going to go to the link in the description, and you're going to go to tampermonkey.net, unless you don't want to go into the description. Then you're going to go ahead and click download. Then it's going to download, hopefully. Oh, I see. So you're actually going to have to download it from the Microsoft Store. Yeah, so you guys are going to have to download it from the Microsoft Store. So you can actually go to this link instead. It's going to bring you to this link. You're going to click Get the App. I know you don't want to install all these apps, but unless you want the old layout, then, well, you're kind of screwed about that. Because, you know. So we're actually going to close this. Maybe not, because I still want this link, so I'm going to keep this open. You're going to click Get. You don't have to click No Thanks, especially if you already have a Microsoft account signed in. Click Get. Thank you. Okay, so now you have to download it. I'll probably edit some parts out, but you will have to download it from the Microsoft Store, which, honestly, in my opinion, is kind of foolish. You should be able to just download it as an extension through Microsoft Edge instead of having to go here. But yeah, this is kind of nice, actually, that it has it on here. It's probably going to show up in my start menu right there. Yep. Add it to my desktop. Come on. Or not. Probably need to download it first. Wait. Oh, I tried. Oh, yeah, so we're going to let this install, and yeah, we will be, here it is. Okay, so you're going to click Turn It On. I'm sorry that I've never done this before, but I wanted to be able to learn it myself, because I didn't want to have to, like, do it, uninstall everything, then redo it, because, you know, that's kind of a waste of time. So you're going to click this, I'm guessing. Oh, okay, so you just have to click it a few times till it gets working. More than likely, it'll work for you. So click Dashboard. I'm just going to have to cut some of these parts out. You're going to go to this little icon here where it says New. Click that. You're going to take this. You're going to delete it. Get rid of it. Control-V. Then you are going to find the Save button, which I have. File, Save. Alright, YouTube Polymer, disable. You can go ahead and get rid of that. Now to test it, this may actually only work because it's a Chrome code, so I may actually have to start the video over. I really hope I don't have to. Yes, it worked. Okay, guys, so that is how you get Microsoft Edge to get the old YouTube layout, which is awesome that it works, and it's actually pretty quick too, which is nice. Because the newest the new one in my version was extremely slow, or the newest one. The new version of the YouTube layout was extremely slow to me. Of course, I could be wrong. My computer isn't the greatest, but so yeah, that's how you do it. It worked. I just showed you, and I did it myself while you guys were watching me, and I've never actually done this before, so it's a learning curve for me. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please drop a like. If you guys did not enjoy this video, drop a dislike. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you guys are new. Sorry, it's a 7-minute video. I will cut out most of the parts. See you guys next video, and peace out.